How to get an invoice from eBay. So if you need an invoice for all your eBay purchases, the first method you could try is viewing your order details. So first things first, sign into your eBay account. Once you've signed into your eBay account, the next step is to simply head into My eBay. So you'll find that on the page, and then head over to your purchase history. Click on purchase history here, and then all of your purchases are going to line up. Now all you need to do is just simply select the order and then click on view order details. Here you're going to find your order number, the seller info, the item price, shipping cost, taxes, and payment methods that were used. That's how you can simply get an invoice. Now, another option for getting an invoice is also requesting an invoice from the seller. So you could simply click on leave feedback and request an invoice, or click on more actions to simply contact the seller. So there is an option to contact the seller if you want. So if you haven't paid yet, you can ask the seller to send a revised invoice. Just go into your unpaid orders. You'd find it there in your purchase history, or rather your summary, and then request an updated invoice. Wait for the seller to send the revised invoice and then complete your payment using that total. You could also make use of the eBay mobile app, where you can tap and open up the application, head into your purchases, and then select the order to view its detail, and then you should be able to print out the invoice as a PDF. Alright guys, that's how it's done.